Hello, friends. All living beings in this world live with fear. Human beings are not an exception. In fact, human beings are having more fear than the other living beings in this world. Why it so? Fear inundated the lives of many people in this world. Those people create chaos in the society. To overcome this kind of issues, we have to get rid of the fear. For that, we should know whether the fear is a real one, natural one, or not. Before analyzing it, I would like to show you 1 minute video. Just by seeing it, you can understand yourselves. This video feared us, isn't it? Even though Python was in the video, it scared us. But he had no fear playing with Python. Did you notice that? Python didn't attack the child too. The child had no fear. Python had no fear too. If the child had feared, it would have affected on Python. In turn, Python would have attacked the child. This has not happened because no fear on either side. My friends, you can ask a question. What is the basis for this theory? I will tell you, my friends, by taking an incident from the great Ramana Maharishi. When Ramana Maharishi went round the Annamalai hills, at a particular point he has asked not to move forward. The disciples stopped, only the Ramana Maharishi moved forward. After a few years, crossed the path. Ramana Maharishi also had no fear. After crossed tiger, he has asked the disciples to come. With full of excitement, the disciples asked him how it has happened. Ramana Maharishi simply explained, I have no fear, so the tiger has also no fear. If I could have a fear in my mind, that could have reflected in the tiger. In turn, that would have attacked me. But you people are having fear. That's why I have asked you to stop there itself. So this is a clear proof. My friends, the fear gives a struggle for the human beings. Fear is an obstacle for the upliftment of the human beings. Individually, if you want to have confidence in your life, you should get rid of at least the excessive fear. Where you have got this excessive fear, my friends, when the children are in the young age, to give up safety to the children, every one of us, the people in the society, used to tell the child, don't go there. If you go there, something will happen. Don't go this side. Something will bite you. Like this, we have injected excessive fear in the minds of the young mind. When the days are coming, the fear also develops itself. That affects when he takes, that boy or girl takes a step in his life. So in each and every step, even after the age of 20, 30, 40, people are having fear. We used to say, death comes only once in the life. Why should we have fear? These are all simply statements. It is not going to help us in any way. Just by hearing lots of lectures given by the people about the conference, or by acquiring the knowledge from the book, that won't help us. We have to understand about this fear that has been injected in our childhood age. Thank you, my friends. Do subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon.